Are you tired too? From today? Well, can I get a word in, or? That's a very detailed answer. I think I got that. You're over it and you want to have a nap. Got it.